Hey everybody, so we are at Big Sur right now. So Big Sur is on the coast of California. We took Highway 1 all the way down the coast here. So it has these awesome mountains that kind of end into the sea. It looks great here at sunset. So we started off the day at Evergreen Lodge on the north side of Yosemite, and then we made our way over here to Big Sur. So we stopped along the 17-mile drive.
We drove up the coast and saw some awesome views, so many trees changing colors, and the ocean is amazing. There's so many cliffs and points to look out over. It's been absolutely amazing. We also made a stop and got to see Sea Lion Rock, which is a rock with sea lions all over it, yelping. They were really cute, even though they were super far away, and that was really fun, at least for me. Yeah.
I was able to get the drone out and fly it along the coast here. Saw cool crashing waves. Went along the outside of a lighthouse, circled around that a little bit, and then out here south of Big Sur, flew it around a little bit. And I had my first accident with the drone. I tried catching it and it nipped 2 of my fingers. So there's my battle scars for the trip, but it's not a big deal. So we're on our way to LA, and then we have an early flight tomorrow back to Missouri. So this has been our adventure, so we'll see you guys later.